Let's install Terraform on Ubuntu. So go to the Google and search for how to install Terraform. Terraform installation on Ubuntu. Select this option and you can see this terraform.io. So open this and here we launched on the Terraform page. Yes, here you can see this command sudo apt install Terraform. But before that, we need to follow these steps. First, we need to set the repository configuration. For that, we need to add this. So copy this command and go to the terminal, paste here and hit enter. Give the root password. So it's executed successfully. So next, follow the second step. Copy this command and paste here. So here the downloading is in progress as well as the installation. Okay, so it's done. So here the repository configuration has been done. So this part is done. Now we can run this command sudo apt. So copy this and go to the terminal. But before running this, we can verify, do we have any Terraform already installed on this? So for that, give this command and type version. Here we don't have any software installed. So that's paste here. So this command will be installing the Terraform software, that is sudo apt install Terraform. Simply hit enter. So it started downloading the Terraform software. So it's setting up the Terraform. It's done. Now we can check by using a Terraform version. Okay, it's done. So we got the version. So Terraform version is v0.15.4. Oh, okay. So let me create one directory for Terraform. mkdir. So let me create the name Terraform. So we created, go to the directory. Now we are in Terraform directory. So we have to create a code file with the .tf extension. And we have to provide the resources we want to create in that file. So let me create using the gedit and let me give the name as demo.tf. Yeah. Here we will be building and providing the basic commands for infrastructure. Our plan is to create the resources like EC2 on AWS. So let me search the AWS provider for Terraform. So search in Google and open the first option. So this code is ready-made and it will be available in this registry.terraform.io. You have to just search and take out the code which is required for our installation. So this code is required. Here what it is showing, provider is AWS, region is US West 2, access key and secret key. For this we will be getting this from AWS management console. So let me show you how can we get the access key and secret key. So go to the AWS management console. So simply click on this management console, and I'm already logged in. So we have to search for IAM user, not user, IAM service, and this service will be available in security, identity, and compliances. So here IAM is available. Click this option. Okay. So here we need to create one user. So go to the user, click on add user. So I will be giving a username as a Terraform. But for access key and secret key, we have to select programmatic access. Select this option and click on next. So here add user page came. Now click on the attach existing policy directly. From this user, we will be creating the resources. That's why this user need administrator access. So select this one and click on next tag. Here you can give any key as a Konyatech and value as a demo. So click on next. So this one is the review page. So verify the username and the policy as the administrator access and key and value Konyatech and demo. Fine. Click on the create user. So here the user has been successfully created. That is the Terraform. Here you can see the access key ID and secret key. Here we are having one option that is download.csv. So it will download the CSV file, save it, and go to that file. So click OK. So this is our access key ID and secret access key. So select this one and simply copy this file. So copy this value and go to our code file and paste here. So here copy the secret access and paste in this section secret access. So it's done. We want to create this EC2 machine. For that we need the resources. Now we have provider AWS and we need to search for the resource. So let me search for resource. Search like AWS provider. Select the first option, that is registry.terraform, and here so select the first option. We are looking for the resources, so we just need to figure out what resources we can copy for our requirement. So for now I think this is correct for us. So let's copy this code and go to that file and paste here. So here we got resource AWS instance and pool. So we will be installing the EC2 machine in East 2 region. So this code is not required, and here also we need to modify. So simply type us-east.2. So it's done. Here also we modified and close this brackets, and AMI we should keep in mind, because for US East 2 region we should have the same AMI of that region. So let us copy that AMI. So go to the AWS management console, and here go to the EC2 services, and here you can see and you can observe that in instance section we don't have any instance, it's a 0. So we are looking for US East 2. So select this option and scroll down, select this launch instances, select launch instance, and here you got the AMI for this region. So select this AMI and go to our file and paste here. It's done. So here the instance type we are looking for t2.micro. So here we completed this code and save. So go to the demo file and check out whether demo consists of all the required code. So it is fine. Now let's start Terraform INIT. So we have started the Terraform steps. So we are running the first step. In this first step it will be creating the working directory and downloading the required plugins. So let's check Terraform PLAN. So before plan we can also validate our code whether it is a valid code or not. So let's check it. Terraform validate. So it will be checking our code. So here we got the output as the configuration is valid. Awesome. So now we can go for plan. The second step is plan. Simply hit. Yes. So we have one resource. In this output you can see the plan has one resource to add, and it prepared everything for implementation. So here all the details are available. Okay, in US East 2 region is creating. Fine. So let me initiate apply. This step will create the resource on AWS platform. So just hit the hit and let us confirm here. Give yes and enter. So go to the AWS management console and verify that this EC2 instance has been created. So earlier we saw that there was no instance available in this region. So this is the correct region, EC2, US East 2 region, and let's refresh this. Here we got one instance. Okay, so select this one. So now this instance has been created by the Terraform code file and it is in running state. It is a t2.micro. So guys, we have successfully created the EC2 instance using Terraform. Let's add few more resources. The same thing, we have to edit the code file, and here if I want to add one more resource, one more instance, let me copy this and paste here. But this time I want to create in region 1, and here I also need the resources, so copy this one and paste here. So here guys, when we are changing the region, the AMI also will get changed. So we have to keep in mind that this AMI of US East 2 won't work in US East 1. So we have to copy the AMI of this US East 1 region. So go to the Amazon and select the US East 1 region. And also we can verify that we don't have any instance here. So EC2 dashboard, here running instance is 0. We don't have an instance. And for AMI we need to go to the launch instance option and select that one. And here is the AMI. So select this AMI and paste for this region. Yes, it's done. So here we are creating more than one resource. So we need to provide the aliases, and we have to give the alias as US East 1 for the reference, and here provider is 1. So this is what we need to provide, and aws.us East 1. The same way we need to mention aws.us East 1. So fine, the code is ready. Now we need to follow the same step. We have updated the code. We have not removed and replaced it, but we have updated the code for second instance. Let's see how it will get executed. So Terraform INIT, enter. So Terraform PLAN. Guys, we are executing this code for different region, not the same region. So here he has given only one, because we are having one update. We want to add only one resource, that's why it has given one. That is the second option. So let me give Terraform apply command, and it will ask for the confirmation. So give as yes, and let's check out in this region. So we have to select the US East 1, it's already selected, and here running instances running we are having as a 0. So let's refresh this page and check it out once more. So it's still in progress. Okay, so keep on refreshing this. Oh, okay, here we got it. So go to that instances page, and here this is a fresh instance created, that is a t2.micro. Okay, under this region US East 1. This is the IP address. Okay, awesome. So like this, we have not removed but we have added the new code, and also we can verify in the US East region too. So here also we are having the one more instance. This is the EC2 instance created. So guys, let me create the storage AWS S3 bucket. So select this one and scroll down. We have to check the required code. Okay, so here this is suitable for us for our requirement. So copy this one and go to our file, demo file. This is the same file in which we have added these things. So now go down and add this code. Here we have to make some changes. In resource line, make it as, we have to give the unique name, no issues. So here we can change this also. Here the bucket name I want to give as a Terraform bucket. So it should be also unique. In versioning is nothing but whenever we are putting any objects in this S3 bucket, they should maintain the version of that object. So versioning enabled equal to 2. That's fine. So we need to add the tags here. Okay, for tags, what we can do, we can take these tags. This is a tag name, so we can copy this and we can paste it. So now this tag name we have given as a Konyatech bucket, and environment is dev. This is for dev, that's why I'm giving the dev. Okay, fine. So now this is added successfully. So save this file and go to our terminal and follow the same steps what we did. The Terraform INIT, my bad, Terraform INIT, Terraform PLAN. So before completing the last step, we need to check in our S3 services section whether we are having any S3 buckets. So this is the Amazon S3 page. Here we don't have any bucket. Okay, so again it's adding the one more resources. See guys, here it won't remove the earlier created the resources, but as per the code formation, as per the code steps instructions, it will be keep on adding using the state file. So it's trying to meet the state what is desired. So here give the command Terraform apply. So Terraform apply started. Here we need to provide yes. Again it is asking for a one more resources. Okay, so give yes and enter, and let's go to the AWS management console and verify. Okay, great. So here we got this. Earlier it was not there, but now it is created. So we have already given the name the myTF test. So we have given the name Terraform -bucket. So we got it. So awesome. So we have created this file also. Let me add few more resources. because so far we have added only one resources. So let me add two resources so that our understanding will be better. So what we can do, we can add VPC. So for VPC, same thing, we have to search the VPC Terraform. So all these codes will be available in the registry.terraform website. We simply have to check this, what code is required for our requirement, and we have to copy that. So this is suitable for our requirement. So copy this and paste here. So here resource AWS VPC. So the main names are given. So we need to do some modifications. So give as a dev. I would like to give the name dev, and here also. And for CIDR block, no need to change anything. Instance tenancy, keep it as a default. And another resource I want to add as a subnet. So for subnet, let me go for AWS Subnet Terraform. So here we got the AWS Subnet. So let's go down and here. Okay, so this resource, the basic usage is suitable. So we can take this code and add to this file. Here we need to do few changes, like AWS Subnet, and we can give it as dev. But here, without VPC ID, we cannot create the subnet. But there is a way to update this. Okay, so AWS VPC main here, so we can give this AWS VPC and dev. So AWS VPC is already here. So simply make it as dev.id, and here also you can make it as dev. So tag name given as dev. So here two resources we have added. Okay, so this way dev given and dev subject we can add it. So we can change the name as per our requirements. Subnet is the name of the dev sub. Okay, these are the name conventions. You can give any name, no issue. Copy modification done. So just to save this and go to our terminal and start our Terraform steps. So Terraform init completed. So go for plan. So Terraform plan is in progress. So far we are trying to keep on adding the resources to the file and creating the resources on our AWS cloud. So first let me show you what we have here. This is a S3 bucket, okay, and let me go to the VPC. So in this VPC services session, we should verify before executing the command so that we get the confidence that what VPCs we have. Okay, so here these are the default VPCs. So let's go to the VPC dashboards. and where is subnet? This is the subnet. Here these are also the default one. So let us, so the Terraform uh, plan has been executed, and now we have added the two resources and want to update those one. That's why it's given as a 2. So plan is having the 2. So give the command for apply. It's going to add those two resources and will update. It won't delete the earlier resources. So here without modifications it is going to update, and here we can verify by refreshing the page. So this is our subnet. We do have created one subnet and one VPC. So let's check it out. Okay, here we have to give the confirmation by giving yes. So keep on refreshing. It will add. So still in progress. Now I think it has created that. Okay, great. So here we got the dev subnet here. So this subnet get created recently, and this is the IP4 CIDR IP address. So let me check the VPC also. Here earlier we were having only one VPC, that was the default one, but here we got the name dev. This dev was created by our Terraform script. So guys, this way it will update, keep on update from the code file. So without destroying or without doing anything to the earlier resources. If we want to remove these resources, whatever we have added, let's see how to remove that one. By giving one command, that is a Terraform DESTROY, it will be removing all the resources whatever we have mentioned in the file, code file. So let me hit this command. And we can also verify by going to the AWS Management Console. So here it has started. Okay, here it's asking for the confirmation. You can see here it has trying to destroy the 5 resources. Simply give the yes and enter, because we total have updated the 5 resources. Now it has started destroying or deleting those resources on AWS platform. So let us verify. This is our VPC session. Here the VPC got deleted. Let's check out the subnets, and here we are having the default subnets, and let's check out the EC2 instances. Here the 0 instances running 0. Which region? US East 2 region. Now go to the US East 1 region. Here also the instance is 0. So means it got deleted. So, and one more session is left, that is S3 bucket. So let's go to the S3 bucket. Here also it got deleted. It means it has completely deleted all the resources created. Thank you so much for joining me in this section. Have a great day.